Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel Learn and Earn Academy, and today in this video we are going to talk about Khilafat movement. Now during the First World War, Turkey joined the Central Powers against British. So it was First World War and Turkey was against whom? Britishers. So Turkey joined the Central Power against the Britishers. So obviously Britain will not like Turkey. However, the sympathy of Indian Muslims was with Turkey. Why? Because they regarded Sultan of Turkey as their spiritual leader or Khalifa. So what will happen now? Obviously the Muslims will not like British, right? So Turkey was against British in the First World War, and Muslims, Indian Muslims, regarded the Sultan of Turkey as their spiritual leader. After the war, with the defeat of Turkey, now Turkey was defeated in First World War. So this is an important point which we must know. All the Allied powers removed the Khalifa from Turkey. So the Allied power which was united in fighting with the Britishers, the Central Powers, they removed the Khalifa from the power in Turkey. Now, because of this, the Indian Muslims were not happy. Hence, the Muslims started the Khilafat movement in India for resumption of Khalifa's position. They want Khalifa's position to be back. A Khilafat committee was formed under the leadership of Mahmud Ali, Shaukat Ali, Maulana Azad and Hazrat Mohini to organize a countrywide agitation. So Khilafat committee was there, which was formed under the leader of Mahmud Ali, Shaukat Ali, Maulana Azad and Hazrat Mohini to organize a wide range agitation. The main object of Khilafat movement was to force the British government to change its attitudes towards Turkey, okay, and to restore the Sultan. So Khilafat movement basically wanted the position of Khalifa to be restored. That was the main objective. Now October 17, 1919 was observed as Khilafat Day. Now what happened on this day? Now when the Hindus along with Muslims in fasting observed Hartal on that day. So what happened on Khalifat Day, October 17, 1990? It was a historic day in which Hindus along with Muslims they held fasting and observed Hartal on that day. In All India Khilafat Conference was held at Delhi on November 23rd with Gandhiji as its president. So there was a Khilafat conference, and imagine who was there? Gandhiji, November 23rd, 1919. So even Gandhiji was supporting Khilafat movement. The conference resolved to withdraw all cooperation from the government if Khilafat demands were not met. So this is what the demand of the committee was, that the demands of Khilafat must be met. Okay. Till the time all the cooperation from the government will be withdrawn. Congress leaders like Lokmanya Tilak and Mahatma Gandhi viewed this as an opportunity. So Khilafat movement was seen as an opportunity for Mahatma Gandhi, Lokmanya Tilak to bring Hindu-Muslim unity against British. And Britishers, we all know, they were trying to divide India into Hindu and Muslim. But this was seen as an opportunity by Mahatma Gandhi, and that's why he became the member of Khilafat committee and wanted to resolve this matter. A joint Hindu-Muslim deputation met Viceroy on Khilafat issue, but it failed to yield any result. The Central Khilafat Committee, so they went to the Viceroy on Khilafat issue, but nothing happened. Now the Central Khilafat Committee met at Allahabad from 1st to 3rd June 1920, which was attended by a number of Congress leaders. In this meeting, a program of non cooperation towards the government was declared. Now, this is very important. This is one of the incidents which changed the entire history. So, Khilafat Committee met in Allahabad 1st to 3rd of June, and they decided that they will now non cooperate towards British government. Why? Because British government was not agreeing on the Khilafat issue. They were not agreeing to restore the Khalifa in Turkey. Now, what was there in non-cooperation movement? Boycott of titles offered by the government, boycott of civil services, army, police, and non-payment of taxes to the government. Now, Gandhiji insisted that unless the Punjab and Khilafat wrongs were undone, there will be no non-cooperation. I mean, there will be no cooperation with the government. So this was the demand of Mahatma Gandhi. So I hope this movement, which is a very important movement in the history of modern India, this is a very informative video for you. Thank you.